what's up? Chillin'. This is 4K Tawheed. I ordered a laptop, Lenovo. This is gonna be my official laptop. So I have the laptop and we'll see how things goes. What's going on? Chillin'. This is 4K Tawheed for the best tech review. Coming up next. Alright, so let's get back into business. Today we're gonna be unboxing Lenovo, what is that called? Lenovo Flex 14, alright? Not 15, but 14. This is i7, basically 2018 model, Windows 10 Home, only 8GB RAM. I mean, you know what? I got a really good price. I was like, you know what? Why not just take it? Here it is. It looks really nice. It's gonna be awesome because you know what? We're gonna try to use this as a regular basis, like Microsoft Office 2019. Do like some editing here, all the editing that I gotta do. Oh, by the way, it's a 2-in-1 touchscreen. It's gonna be awesome, but only one concern is this thing gonna be able to handle the editing? That's what I'm concerned of, like 4K editing processor, the 8565U 2018 processor. I have enough bulky laptop. You know, I had the most powerful laptop or weak laptop, but pretty bulky. This is supposed to be lighter and very nice looking because you know Lenovo is always about quality because they're like IBM. So let's go, guys. Inside one box, that's layer one. See the logo right there? Secure tape by their manufacturer. Have the battery hazard right there. This is encrypted, so the moment you stick it out, it's gonna start doing some like mark on it. You see how it is? This is gonna be my Starbucks laptop. First thing is, let's see how big is the charger. Wow, that is actually small. That's like your phone adapters. And MagSafe charger. It's a round port. It's lighter. It's not too big. Man, I already feel cold. I think it's metal. That is small. This is cute. Small. It's not even big. Heavy, yeah, sure. It have a battery in it, of course. That's why it's heavy. The smell. We forgot to smell. I smell a little bit of Motorola, maybe because they bought each other, that's why. You'll find like a Motorola phone inside their website. Not too much design, but it's so standard, like as you guys see. Like every Lenovo had this thing, the hinges and all that, just so like standard, like very standard type. Windows 10 sticker, nice ventilation over here. Also got some ventilation air out to this 1, 2, 3, and you got 1, 2, 3 over there. The ports are HDMI, USB 5C, yeah, USB 5C. Thank God. You got a mic in and headset output. You got the round power supply, and then you got the, what do you call it, the little indicator. Every Lenovo had that. Some HP had that. You also got USB standard, not 3.0, but it's 2.0, I believe. You have SD card. Thank God. You got an indication light for the power and a hard drive, I'm guessing. This is the side key, almost like Asus does. The logos at the top is a matte finishing, not like a glossary. Very excited to see and feel the keyboard. It's a little tight to lift, and here it is. No way. Here it is, 360. Bingo, right there. So that's like a tablet. We got the little protection over here for the keyboard. We got some warranty papers. This is clean. Okay, so Dolly B or Dolly By, however you call it. Since little, I used to call it Dolly By Audio, like as the Hollywood movie shows. Dolly By Audio, I'm gonna call it Dolly By Audio. IdeaPad is not a ThinkPad, but it's an IdeaPad Flex. This is the main thing right there, right? That's Intel i7 8th gen. I wish it was 9th gen. That will be like give me a 6 core at least, because that's a quad core processor. Let's look at the webcam, right? So I see the webcam have a little privacy tint at the top. As you guys see, that tint is supposed to block it. You see, we'll literally block the webcam right now. So let's say if you get hacked or Russian malware, it will protect you, because right now nobody can see me. But the front megapixel is only like 1 MP. That's pretty cheap, Lenovo. Come on, because Apple come out with like 720p. They could at least give you like maybe 5 MP or 10 MP, but no, unfortunately. 360. Let's do the 360 right now. And here it is. Boom. It's not too much gap at the middle. Okay, so we got Lenovo. Cortana's about to take an action. Oh, we got a keyboard light as well. So we're gonna turn on the keyboard light. Function key, boom.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Wow.
I'm here to help. A little sign in here.
Okay, Cortana, you can stop. All right, guys, now we're gonna do the touchscreen.
All you plan to do.
All right, so touchscreen, boom. So touchscreen works pretty nice, as you guys see. The keyboard, you can actually lower it down if you want to. So like say if you want to do boom, dead, so you cannot really adjust the light on it. Not that heavy, guys. This is feels not even bad. Like, this is amazing. You can also do this if you want. You can also set this up like that, and it will actually work like this. Let's set this up. United States, yes. US, yes. Skip. Oh, here's all that creepy question. Now let's turn all of this off because we don't need any of you. No, 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 no. No improvement at all. I already got enough of my own AI. Advertising ID, absolutely not. Accept. Protect your device, no thanks. That's by Lenovo. That's gotta be Lenovo because it says Lenovo software privacy statement. Absolutely not. Add this device to my Lenovo ID profile, no thanks. Absolutely not. Help Lenovo improve your device experience by allowing anonymous data collection. Get out of here. Your mom is lovely. So yeah, guys, so we're almost done here. We're getting everything's ready for you. First thing first, it's too bright, so I don't like that. Let's make this dark mode. We have to do the dark mode. Actually, before that, let's connect the Wi-Fi. Alrighty, Wi-Fi is finally connected. Let's do the update. Boom, check for update. It's gonna come like 7 million update right now. Sure, let's change that as a dark wallpaper for now. Make this like dark, and here it is. Ready, guys? Bingo. Amazing look. I don't know why they gave me McAfee. Like, I don't use any of that. Like, I like to kill virus. Alright, guys, so that was a video for Lenovo 14-inch for Flex 6 i7 256GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB of SSD, but the skinny one. NVI, you know what I'm talking about. Camera quality is not the best, but it does have the privacy tint over here. So when I turn on the privacy tint, this is how it looks like. You're gonna see like almost red. Watch. You see, you don't see anything, but you can hear my voice, so it's just strange. It seems kind of like somebody's covering it with their finger, you know, like when you call the peoples on Facebook and they're like, oh no, I don't want to see it, you know, I'm like wearing nothing when I'm in my bed. So you kind of look like that. But anyway, so that was the video. I hope you guys liked it. Definitely subs and comments, as many you want. Just to let you know, this one have SSD, not the skinny SSD. 256GB. I could have put a Samsung Evo in it. I'm not gonna put the Samsung Evo, which is right here. I'm gonna use this for something else right now. Definitely comments for any special type of video that you would expect. Definitely ask me for it. Yo, why my eye look like this? Look at my right eye. Why is it like that? This one, why it looks super sharp and this one looks kind of different? Why is it like that? It looks like one of those Asian eyes, Times New Roman. This looks different too. Let's do the stabilization. Peace, this is your 4K Tohi. Definitely follow on my Instagram and Twitter, and you know the spelling is called 4K, like a letter K, Toheed. Peace, alright?